So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I, Pratik Bansal, the creator of the Knowledge channel, is going to tell you about Wick editor. So first, I know I changed my channel name from The Animator to The Knowledge because I am stopped making animation videos from now, and I will make videos of tutorials and studies. So let's start the video. So when you start Wick editor, so you have to go to editor.wickeditor.com. So latest version is 1.17 of this website. When you open it, you will see an interface like this. You can read these things. So this is about the version of the website and how it has things. So let's click the right and now. So if you have created a project, it will auto save if you don't save. So you can just load from here and delete from it. So I am deleted for it. So first of all, I will tell you about it. So Wick editor is an online editor. Here you can see cursor, just C, shortcut, B for brush, P for pencil, E for eraser, R for rectangle, O for circle, L for line, path cursor A, text is equal to T, fill bucket F, and add dropper is G. Here are the fill color and stroke color. So you can select from these two. And canvas actions, the canvas actions, so if you make animations, and this is delete, copy, paste, undo, redo, and now you can start a new project from here. You can open a project from here. So when you export the project file, likely I will show you. Now what you need to do is create this export video beta version, and it will create my project.mp4 file. So let it create, and I will tell you how you can open this as well. So let's wait for some time. So what happened when the export is finished? When the export is finished, it will download a file of my project.mp4. So now as you can see it will take some time. Yeah, it is downloading, and after it is downloading, how you can open it? Click on open button, and now go to downloads, select the file. So it will have a .wick thing. So when you open it, like here you can see I made animation before, so it's just over it. So it was the first animation I made of it. So actually it's a jumping man. So let me delete it thing. You can play the animation from here. Recenter, zoom out, zoom in, pan. So pan is so do like this, and when you deselect pan, just click on the brush or BP like this. Then what is this oil changing for? Oil changing for is to see the last video like this. When it is on, you can't see, but when you turn it on, you can see. And this is for the things how you can see animation. So likely here you can see all the animation like this. From like the animation that I am doing here are being shown here. This. So once you can keep this high as default only, or maybe big. And to resize this frame, you can just click on this frame and just likely how you can resize, and this is the blank. You can delete the frame by just delete, and I'm going to tell you how you can add frames. So first of all, I will delete all this frame. Delete all the frames, just select them, click on this frame and just dragging here. Then click on the delete button, already delete. Now add frame, you can add frame like this or add like this. It's your choice. And so I will just create animation here. I will just press C and O, and just draw. And if you want to just create layers as well, that is easy drawing for one layer for everything. First of all, let me just deselect this by pressing R, C, the cursor, and click on this thing, plus sign, and this is going to be a layer. You have unlimited layers. So you can see there are tons of layers. So not a little bit tons, and you can just draw something here. The thing you draw here will be just edited here as well. So likely I draw this, and here you can see I draw it. So when I play this, it's just like this. These are ways. So I don't know how you can change film in this file in this program. So it can be done from setting, I think. Yeah. So now frame it. FPS set it to 2. Present to square for 180%. It's up to you. Shortcuts, you can see all the shortcuts here. An editor. Change the style of gradient. So I will change the style of editor. Yeah, and now let's just click on the apply button. Now here you can see the editor is edited, and FPS is a little bit changes or not. Oh, I don't think FPS to apply. Now let's see. Yeah, here you can see there's flow. And how you can extend them is just like doing like this. And it is not a very good program for making animation. I don't say that thing, but it's a good program. So you can use it for some uses, and this is free. This is a website. It's an online program. Currently, it's very easy to implement in this program, and you should give it a try. So now, how you can just go to new project, new, accept, and new project. You can add frame from here, add queen. So queen is, I don't know about queen. Maybe it's type of frame, if you frame, or something I don't know really about. So as I don't use this as well. And the thing is that you can just make it change position. Actually, if I draw something here and like draw something here, or I draw a line here, and when I just put it here while driving, the thing will change. So I have this only, and you can leave the settings at default only. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thanks for the support you gave in the last video, that was just free alternative to Adobe Animate. Yeah, I got 173 views, and I was really fascinated by seeing that how many views I got. So thanks for the support. Keep the support up, and I'm not making a light target in this video. So I hope you like this video. So in the next video, I will make a tutorial on Selfie Studio. Be sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get all notification of my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.